Ka Dr.K L Iawbore kabadai ka Project Director jangka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong mentah kasi ka khat pratrik urisa habakrani kilat pathai kubor kal ong bikin number jiki briew ki bala register ki badan yo khnyang HIV po ka Meghalaya baro ki dan kumba shipo aja nyo spa khat lai ngut bakle tu baka jingbon ki briew ki bayo yo khnyang HIV na po ka Meghalaya ki dei na ka West Janta Hills but East Janta Hills la ong ru baki badan yo ni khnyang HIV ki khambun haka kerta ki badang samla ka jingbon kalong kumju bat kan thei bat shenrang handai ka khambun khandiat ki dei ki shenrang la ban ong ru ba po ka jila Meghalaya ya ka jingpang HIV ka longkum ka jingpang khlam ka badang yai kiu man usnam
numbers registered people living with HIV till today it is 10,713 registered the other day people living with HIV. Kani kalai cumulative number till now, till September.
I mean,
Bastang hikan. Ano bastang? Kong kani ka awareness program. Namar ba kin tip the other day ya ka status daki. Nang ta bakin come forward, bagin test yaki. Nang ta ndalatas in case bagi long positive, bagin registered yaki, bagin link yaki siya gitu ki treatment center, ki artist center, so that bagin shimmy kita wai. But kini kita wai ki hapandi like the whole life. Ki hapandi regularly. Kanang bagi ni ka virus lo jengki kanang suppress. They still, even if they are having HIV in them, they still can live normally if they take the medicine regularly. Hamjur hadu mata kadai na Janta Hills, the East Janta Hills and the West Janta Hills. Kajing yarap ayu te kadai ka ayu hi ka treatment hi bagi ayaki awareness hi bagi ayaki mix, but most of them maximum they are young people, more than 52% they are below the age of 30 years.
Tiga jumpun kalau abang orang dapatkan thai bersenrang ni
more or less same, but I think the male side is more than the female.
ma'am kay
Pardon?
long
Kajingbon jang kini ki people living with HIV kadai ke banengkong kadai bamenta bangi enhancing and testing ka awareness ke banengkong kata namar ki briew menta ke along aware nang tu pada langsung tu they come forward for testing reporting, then some of them also like willing to treatment kadai kata ka number 1 nang ta ka number 2 pada kadai ka rampant casual sexual activity, especially among the young people less than 30 years. And another point is that because of the migratory population, people are coming, the laborer from outside the state. That is the most important. Kini ka jengkiu ka kiubat now kini ka state jengi ka Meghalaya ka lalong epidemic kini ka HIV as of now kalau epidemic 4 dan kata bang inaw mangila ban juga kiubat menta rata kadau ni haban enhance ka awareness ngidon kam ka jeng shimata jeng kini ki community ki public bakin come forward for testing but bakin long adherent ya ka treatment ro nang bangila ban suppress ya ketika viral load ke dan ka met jangki nang ba kin im ka jing im ka balong normal kum ki we pat ki